one, an octopus or something, or a capybara. Capybaras are my favourite animal, but this one's covered in glitter. Ew. What do I do? So this one's squidgy. Oh, that's so nice. Let me try the other one. What do I do with this? That's scary. I choose this one. What do I do now? It says play. Okay, play. I'm going to show this to my mum. Mum, look what I found.
What's that?
A capybara squishy.
That's your favourite animal?
Yeah, it is.
Well, how'd you get that?
Some weird thing popped up above my head. I don't know what it was.
It was probably just your imagination. You have a crazy mind, you know. Coming from me.
Look how squishy it is.
Oh my God, be quiet, just go away.
Did you really just say that?
Say what?
I'm leaving. I don't like you anymore.
Wait.
So if she just didn't say that, then that means... Did I read her mind? Yes, I did. Nice to know that. Wonder what else I can do. Let's go ask my bully if she actually likes me. Becky,
Yeah?
can you tell me why you bully me?
Because nobody likes you, obviously. I'm sorry, my mum makes me do it. I want to be friends.
Your mum makes you?
What, no?
That's crazy.
I didn't say that.
Did. Well, at least you thought that.
What? Okay, fine. I have to admit, I'm so sorry. My mum makes me.
Even though you did ruin my life. Why don't... To pay me back, you have to go out with me for ice cream.
Deal.
Deal. Okay. So, what flavour ice cream would you like? Even though you're paying for it and not me.
I would like vanilla. Strawberry.
You would like a strawberry, in fact. Any sauces?
Nope. Chocolate.
Chocolate sauce? Can you just stop lying to me? I know what you are actually thinking.
How?
Magical squishy.
What?